folks, I'm going to tell you 5 quick facts about black bull markets. Now, did you know, number 1, they're New Zealand FMA regulated. Number 2, did you know they have a copy trading service where you can either be a signal provider or copy signals? And number 3, did you know they've got over 26,000 tradable assets, including Forex, crypto, stocks, indices, and even more? And number 4, did you know they offer 500 to 1 leverage? And number 5, if you open up an account today and trade 1 lot a month, they're going to give you TradingView Pro for free. Check them out, Black Bull Markets.
Should probably add me to the stream, huh? Good morning, good morning. What the hell? Sorry, guys, I'm trying to... What up, what up, what up? Let me turn on some... Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Let's do this. Bro, who stayed in this trade yesterday and let it run all the way down to 100 plus pips? That was beautiful. Beautiful. What up, what up? Why is there all these notifications on? Who took the gold trade that went right up into the zone and just completely melted? That was even more beautiful. Yeah, this, I wish I would have taken this too, but it didn't come up here till like 4 a.m. Like, we jumped off, I think like at, it was like 3 a.m., right? It's like an hour after we jumped off. So I was already sleeping. Who jumped on the New York stream and killed it with this nice little... Look, this is where I ended up getting out, and look at this, almost to perfection. I got out right here at the white line. Is that 159 points, so about 1,500 pips. This was a beautiful trade. This was live on my channel this morning in New York, or yesterday morning. That was delicious. Delicious. Oh, give me 1 second, guys. Okay, I think. Sorry, I think my mic was on mute. I was talking. I was talking about this. Looks like a little double top action, and our breakout zone. We don't want to put it somewhere. I was looking here, but looking to the left. This is not clear direction, right? So putting it here, we got the clear direction, but the range is not enough. Excuse me, the range was like 15 pips. Sorry. Yeah, sorry guys, the music automatically is like kind of high. I had to turn that down. You guys should be able to hear me now. No issues. Maybe hear the music in the background low. Anyways, as I was saying, our breakout level here, this is not enough. We want clear direction. Like, we don't want to have any room for interpretation. There's wicks to both sides. It just looks ugly, right? So then I move down here. We got nice clear direction one way, right? But the range from here to here is 15 pips. So then I move it down to here, and we have nice clear direction, and range from here to here is 25 pips. So that's enough for us for a trade. But I was saying we had a little double top action going on here. It came up, had the rejection, had a massive rejection there, and then we're having this big bearish candle now. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Not enough. Yeah, that looks good right there. I love when they match back up to the same zones, just like lovely. Excuse me. Looking at the 5 minute. Man, I think we might have missed a move. Essentially, I was looking for it to come down. See on the daily here. This was yesterday's, and if you guys remember yesterday, we were talking about how I wanted it to come down into this zone to look for buys. Came down, broke this previous daily low, all right, took that liquidity, and then closed here, opened here, has a very small wick to the downside, and then it moved up. So now it's leaving the wick to the upside, so maybe now we're starting to move to the downside to come down here, all right? So for me, sell opportunity moving with the trend here would be ideal. But we have this thing already pumping down. You know? So we'll see what we can do. Honestly, we don't have much consolidation here. It looks kind of ugly. But based on this pattern here, maybe we can get a pullback for an entry to short it. But a pullback to where is the question. See how it's meeting this wick here. This is on the 5 minute, so we could maybe wait for a pullback into that area. Just kind of like yesterday. Do we have any news coming out? USD news at 12:01 p.m. So we should be good today for London. Regardless, maybe we have a breakout here. So really, now that it's made this move, I'm looking more for a pullback. And you know what? It's probably gonna come back up here. Blow past this little zone here, just because we have this kind of small, you see this consolidation area here. So taking out liquidity from here, and this last one here, just ran through these, and then it's probably going to come back, take it from here before it falls over. Same shit as yesterday. See how the market just kind of repeats itself? Same thing as yesterday. See how it came down here, took these, pulled all the way back up, took these, and then melted. Looking for the same thing here. Just taking this here. It's going to pull back up, take this, and then melt. Does that make sense? I said, does that make sense? You guys are quiet today. Nobody got nothing to say? Nobody has nothing to say, huh? Huh? We just gonna be quiet today, huh? Okay. You want to look at GJ? Nice and easy, nice and easy. This might hurt a little bit. Say what? Say what? Do 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 do. This thing is flying up, huh? Okay, above this, there's nothing. Above this, there's nothing. Above this, it's not enough. Above this, it's not enough. It's probably still gonna be the same. Why is this thing like glitching out, running slow and shit? It's not enough. That's not enough. That's not enough. That's not enough. That's not enough. There's nothing there. That's not enough. Yeah, it's gonna be the same breakout zone to the top. Way up here, which it hasn't managed to reach, so the Zoom music is always better than this. Yeah, because I play whatever I want, like not this copyright free background elevator music. Anyways, so there's GJ. She's set up. Breakout's not till way up here. Kind of monitor this right here on the daily for GJ. So yesterday we were here, and remember I was still expecting to come and fill this top about 45 pips away. It created the bottom wick here. We had this zone where we could have potentially taken buys here, but I wasn't looking at the chart at that time. But right now it's moving up, and I'm still looking for. We'll probably see this high, yesterday's high, taken out first before we start focusing on getting to this level. This is a weekly level, and then rejection to the downside. So little patience. But that's like kind of macro view. On a micro view, we'll probably see this push up a little bit more before we get the pullback to the downside. The music is more calming today. How was your sauna experience yesterday? Definitely legit. I don't know why I hesitated so long for like buying it. I was just always used to going to this certain gym where I used to live, and they don't have that gym out here. And the gym had like a whole like steam room, like eucalyptus steam room, and I really missed it. But now I have one I can take with me everywhere. Position ratio on GJ, stop loss. Oh, sell. Oh wait, short and long. 58 short, 58% short, 41% long. That's funny. Of course, I would be looking for buys, and that'd be the smaller percentage. Gotta go against the masses. I would probably expect a little bit of bigger push here before a pullback for a buy. So something like this, where we come up here, come down here, take out this liquidity before we go up higher. Before we see the actual move to the downside. It's kind of what I'm looking for. But we shall see. Okay, so bang, look, that would have been a nice buy. So we're into that zone already. Let's just keep an eye on here. If we start seeing rejection to the downside, we'll take the short. But I really think if we position ourselves nicely there, the 15 pips up, you know, we can target the lows down here. Let's just be patient. See what price does. Okay. Oh yeah, I sent out the Euro USD trade for everybody. She was like a pip away from hitting TP1. She's pushing up now, but yeah, she was half a pip away. 09795, and my TP is at 0980, so about half a pip away. She should be hitting TP1 here shortly. I sent this trade out in the free Telegram. Everybody should have got it. Everybody should be in profits. So yeah. Kind of sleepy. Yo, so we'll be live streaming for New York session. We like hit over 100 likes. Yeah, I think it was 127 likes. No, I don't place a sell limit because I'm watching and reading price. So we will be live for New York session on YouTube, on my YouTube. Yeah, so if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do that. If you're not subscribed to Trading Nuts, you should definitely do that first and hit that like button for me. Make sure you guys are showing that appreciation, showing that love to Trading Nut. Okay, we're seeing some of that rejection here. Still kind of early. Let's be patient. No, still pushing up. What does the 15-minute look like? Bullish engulfing. Patience, patience. Got about a minute left on this candle. No, it's too late to consider that. Maybe if this candle here had a wick to the downside and it was engulfing this candle, I would have considered taking a buy and rode it up. But at the current price that it's at right now, it's in between our basically top and bottom, so I wouldn't do that. It's just not a smart gamble or a risk, you know. Got like a doji candle there. See what this candle closes like, because this doji candle, although it is indication of price exhaustion, potential reversal, we want to see what the next candle does for confirmation. If this next candle closes bullish, then we're just gonna fill a wick in continuation. But if we close bearish engulfing, then maybe this was a small pullback before the turnaround here. What was I know it was just a joke. Never gamble, even if using funded account. Yeah, just wanted to. I feel like I only like clarified things like what I would do, because there's always that new person that stumbles across the stream on YouTube, and like they hear something like that and they just jump in, like jump into a buy, jump into a sell. And I want to make sure people aren't doing that, because that's pretty dumb. Do you trade oil? I do not. It's a funded account, it's only Forex, I'm guessing. No, this is gold. Morning LB, which pair are you trading? Yeah, it's gold. We are looking at gold right now. We're not in a trade right now. We have a setup both on GJ and gold, and we're just gonna be patient. We want price to come to us. We don't want to chase price. EU. Yeah, she looks like she's gonna hit TP1 here shortly. She's like 3 pips away. I sent out this trade as a freebie to the free Telegram. It was a VIP trade, but I shared it with everybody. Okay. Anyways, we got about 15 minutes till London Open. Man, I'm tired today. We got about a minute left, so we really want to pay attention to how this candle's going to close. So you trading base A on price action and short patterns in this? Yeah. Basically, man, just keeping it simple. No indicators. None of that. In 30 seconds. Looks like it's closing bearish, but surprisingly inside of that previous candle. Super small body. Maybe like a little tweezer top here. So here's our account. Down 1.4. Okay, so we still close bullish. But it's kind of like a tweezer top here. And I kind of want to sell that with like a 15 pip stop just to cover those wicks. I'm just going to calculate my risk here while I let price kind of open up here. We got about 15 minutes before London Open, and going to be risking 0.25, 0.25%. $1.64 lots. Yeah, I think it would have been a nice sell here. See, I'm gonna kind of want to take this sell. I like the rejection. 15 minutes. It's gonna be a little risky here, but let's go ahead and take a sell here on gold. 1.64. Selling gold, selling gold. Come on, baby. Damn. Yeah, so I'm in a trade. I'm in gold. I'm in a sell. I'll tell you what price I got in at. 36. Jesus. It's like 4 pips lower. Horrible entry. Ends up being like 20 pips. We'll just... It's at 20. Oh. Make it an even 20. 2020, 2021. This is 19, 28, 36. 19, 28, 36. Oh, okay. She's already coming down. She's already coming down. One. TP3. Looking lovely. Yes, I'm in this trade, guys. I'm in the trade. Okay. If you guys need me to write this out for you. So that's for 0%. Stop loss at 19.236. TP 28.36. Yeah. What am I doing? What am I doing? So at TP1, I'll be closing 80%, adjusting stops to break even, and letting the runner run. Currently running in profit, about 4 pips. Just going to be taking one trade today, guys. Just taking one trade. Really want to see this little resistance here broken. Seeing the body of the candle closing below here. Eventually, you know, breaking these lows of this wick would be nice. All the information is on the screen, guys. If you have any questions on the trade, go ahead, jump in the comments. Good morning, Bankz. Good morning, good morning. Oof. Oof, oof. I blew my whole account in the beginning of the week. That's why I don't trade Mondays, bro. Start on Tuesday. Oh, the US 30, yeah, was nice. I will do a live New York session. The post got to like 120 likes or something like that. Yeah, 80% at TP1. It's back to break even right now. Basically break even. Might pop up, take liquidity from up here, and then come down. See how this candle closes. Yeah, we should have some volume coming in for London. About 2 minutes. 2 minutes. I don't know what the ES is. Nice closing inside candle. Beautiful. Let's keep pushing down, baby. ES is basically US 500. Oh, the S&P 500 futures market. Oh, there goes EU hitting TP1. This is what I was talking about. I feel like it was going to come get liquidity from up here and then come down. See what it does where it London Open. Beautiful. Reject, reject, reject. Keep pushing down. Oh my gosh. Oh, freaking tired. Are you going to give lifetime VIP as well when you moved over to new platforms? It's going to be structured a little differently. I was thinking about that today, and really, because I want it to be more of like a program that we can. I was thinking about doing like kind of like an incubator type of like mastermind type group, where it's not just trading, it's not signals. Like I want to kind of like mold the characteristics of what you should be doing as a trader. If you're trying to become a full-time trader, you know, as far as your analysis goes, as far as, you know, actual trading, and then reviewing your trades, setting up for the week, um, like reviewing, like helping you guys look at some of your charts, you know. So and on top of that, have like the course that I currently have, and then the updates to that course, like the new content that I've been recording, all like in one thing. Because I don't want to have like, I feel like most people just pick and choose what they want. Like, oh, I'm gonna get the course, or oh, I'm just gonna get into VIP. And I think you need all of these things to be successful, you know. So I was thinking about just kind of merging everything together, and then just charging like one price for it. So I haven't worked out all the details on how that's gonna look, but that's kind of where my head is at. Because at the end of the day, like, you know, it doesn't benefit me none for you guys just to like pay a fee and then just watch me trade. You know, because the whole goal here is so you can trade by yourself. I guess like the end goal is that you don't need the group, you know, you don't need the training wheels, you don't need like me to be able to trade. I know that's probably sounds kind of counterintuitive to like growing like that kind of community and that kind of stream of revenue from a business perspective. I know it sounds like different, but I think that if my goal is to help you, that should be my goal, right? Is for you guys not to need me to trade, but to be able to trade on your own. So I think in order to really effectively do that is kind of walk through an extended amount of time with you guys, like through the trading. So yeah. That's kind of what I've been thinking. Yeah, kind of like a mastermind group. Or I was talking to a buddy of mine, I was telling him like an incubator, you know, like it's very popular with like startups and stuff like that, where they'll be under like, I guess, supervision of someone that's established in that industry or has knowledge and experience in that industry, to be able to kind of handhold and guide. That's kind of what I'm envisioning. But at the same time, like have structured events, like scheduled events, right? Like whether we're gonna live trade or do analysis or review your charts, or like have a session that we're going over psychology. Have those, you know, pre-planned, scheduled throughout the calendar, and then you also have the access to the course content and all the updated material, the new videos, to be able to go over, you know, on your own, also do education, just to kind of get a well-rounded education thing. Because it does you no good to, like, I mean, it's great that you can follow me here and take a trade and make some money, but what are you going to do when we pass this funded account? And if you're taking a funded challenge with me, like when we all pass it, if you can't take trades by yourself, like it's pointless, you know? So I'm kind of putting that together for you guys, a little incubator type of room. How does that sound? Let's see here. Yeah, I don't think I'll be trading US30 on the challenge account. Like I kind of, not that it would be difficult or anything like that. It's just that this challenge account thing that I'm doing is just like a series for you guys. And like I kind of need to trade my own account for New York session because I still need to make money. Like I'm a full-time trader, guys. That's my primary source of income, and I have other incomes, but trading makes me the most. So I kind of need to trade. So during New York, like I just focus on trading my own account. I have watched you from 2022, and I remember those days you had your VIP opening. Those days you also used to say these things. Big fan, Bankz. Appreciate it, brother. Appreciate it. Yeah, I was looking back at, I went through and like answered a bunch of comments that you guys had on some of the videos of the past lives, and I was looking to see when my first live stream video was, and it was back in March of 2021 on YouTube. So I've been streaming for 2.5 years now on YouTube. Sounds great and helpful. Yeah. Yeah, honestly, like if I could just have maybe not this weekend, because this weekend is my brother's birthday, and I'll probably be busy, but maybe like in the next week or so, like maybe for September, something like that. What I can do is probably send out like a link, like a waiting list link. That way, if you're interested in getting into that incubator, you can be notified when it's ready. You know, maybe for next session I'll have that available. FX Bounty Hunter, what's good? Good morning, good morning. Welcome back. Hadn't seen you in a while. How you doing, brother? How you doing? Yes, that makes total sense. Thanks, LB. That would be great. Can you explain briefly the concept of liquidity, please? So I guess to kind of put it into like an analogy, like think about price moving as like a vehicle, and you can only get so far with so much gas, right? So when you see areas of consolidation, and this is a little tricky because it was like kind of trickling up, and there's like small areas of consolidation, but I'll show you over here where it looks a lot cleaner. Can you see? Don't pay attention to all the markups and stuff, just pay attention to this area here. Right, this box, the candles in this box. Within this box, you got this box, right? So in order for price to continue to move, it needs gas, and the gas comes in the form of liquidity, where you have traditional stops, right? So if I was buying gold here, if price was moving here and I was to buy gold, the logical place, looking at the chart, to put stops would be, under these wicks, right? Like you would logically look at this and be like, oh, my stops are going to be there, and I'm going to excuse me, and I'm going to take a buy, right? So price will come down and take that, because when it closes out trades and it stops them out, that's the gas it needs for it to move, right? So once it takes all these out here, it extends out even to this one to be able to take liquidity from here, right? Can't draw a straight line, but see how it spikes out here, and this is what a lot of people like to call in this area what's called a fake out. It's not really a fake out, it's just taking that liquidity. So it's getting gas so it can actually move, right? So then it comes and it has to get gas from up here, because here's the other stops. If you're taking sells, if you see this and you're like, oh, it's breaking out here, I'm going to take sells, you're putting your stops above these wicks or above this area. And so it comes down, stops these out, takes that liquidity, and then it comes up to take this liquidity because it needs this move and this move to build up the gas that it needs to make this move. I know it's like a lot of lines there, but I was trying to visually I think I made it worse. But essentially it's just kind of gaining momentum so it can make the move it wants. And you can see here the blue line, that's what I was depicting here. Is we're in this area, it's going to push down here to take out this liquidity. I was looking at this liquidity here, it came down and even took out this liquidity from here, right? And then automatically reversed to take out from up here. See how it just wicked up here from this top, and then from here, as soon as it hit here, like we came down, we came back. Here's a retest, right, of this area, and then a continuation. So you could have got in here in the bearish engulfing, you could have got in here on the retest and the rejection, you could have got in here at the breakout. That's 1, 2, 3 entries. Here's another retest of the breakout, right? So that would have been 1, 2, 3, 4 entries here. And it would have been a lovely trade. Hopefully that makes sense. Let me know if I just confused you more. I was trying to put it into terms of an analogy, make it easier to understand. But just think of in terms of it just needs gas to move. Don't you feel tired of trading the challenge, been in it for a minute and still in drawdown? Well, I don't really look at it like, something that I'm obligated to do. Like I'm trading. I'm gonna trade regardless, right? So it's like saying, do you get tired of trading your trading days, your schedule? I mean, I think everyone could get tired, and then you can take a break. That's the beautiful thing about the Blue Guardian Challenge, that it's unlimited time. But to me, it doesn't seem any different than what I'm already doing. Even if I wasn't trading the challenge account, I would be trading my personal account in London sessions. So one way or another. But obviously, like if I was like tired, like sleepy one day, I would probably take the day off London and just trade New York. I don't have to trade both sessions, but I trade both sessions right now because the London I primarily trade for Blue Guardian, the challenge account, and then New York I trade my personal account. But sometimes, like yesterday, I took the trade on my personal account as well on GJ, and actually hit TP2, and that's where I had my take profit set at because it didn't close me out at the break even, so it was nice. I think that the so the question is, I was wondering, I don't know much about Blue Guardian, but if people are trying to pass the challenge with you and they take the same trades as you, is that allowed? Most prop don't allow that, so I was curious. So I did look at the rules and I didn't see anything against that, and they're pretty open to, I mean, they allow hedging, they allow EAs, they allow weekends, they allow like a lot of things. So I don't think that would necessarily be the issue. I think it would maybe be an issue if I had like a trade copier and everybody was taking the exact trades, because even then, you know, when I'm entering and exiting and all that stuff, people have different challenge account sizes, and there's slippage, you know, like when I enter versus where everybody else enters, so the pricing is not exact. So I think we're in the clear with that, but if you're concerned about that, I would definitely reach out to support to get an answer in writing that it's okay. But I don't think, I mean, from everything that I've seen, I didn't see that there was an issue with that. On the contrary, I think that they're pretty happy about the free promotion that I've been promoting this live for, how many days is it? 50 days now. So, you know, and also at the end of the day, most of you guys, like most new people, don't have enough self-control and patience and discipline to do exactly as I do. Some of you guys may try to trade it on your own, or up the risk, or hold on longer, or, you know, take more partials or close less partials. I don't know, so many different things that could potentially happen. So there's a lot of variance in there, and so I don't think it would be, from like a risk management perspective, of them having those type of accounts, you know. Yeah, I think after 50 days trading their challenge account, they need to reach out to me and sponsor my channel. Sponsor me up like they got Trading Nut sponsored. Yeah, whenever I got the account, Trading Nut, he like messaged me and he was like, "Oh, like I guess they were gonna give me a challenge account to do, but he was waiting on to hear back from somebody, and I just went ahead and bought it." And he was like, "Oh, you you bought the account?" Like he was like, "I told you to wait." I was like, "Man, I was like, I'd rather just go through what everybody else is going through. Is gonna go through like paying the fee or whatever." I mean, it was only like I think $500 or something for the $100,000 challenge. So, not really a big deal. What about oil? Can you give some ideas? I don't trade oil, bro. Just kind of ranging here, huh? It's like rejection to the top. There's like a level of support here. Really want to see something break below. Give me that confidence. It's actually only 10K if you're doing 100K. It's all Fugazi. Yeah. Well, it's technically less because they don't have a 10% drawdown. I think they have an 8% drawdown. So it's 8,000 instead of 10. But that's why I'm risking 0.25% of the account and not 1%, because it's a lot less than that what you're dealing with. Yes, I will be live for New York. We got like 120 something likes on the last post, so we'll be live. The New York setups and the strategy for that is in the VIP. I have the recorded videos of trading in there and going over breakdowns and stuff like that. Come on, baby, push down. Day one of asking for the account if you won't need it after passing. Yeah, I was thinking about what I could do, and I don't know if I could like give it away because like technically it's in my name. But I was thinking maybe like either connecting it to like a trade copier to trade like from my account, or even doing like something fun, you know, like where I like trade it live and see if I can like break the, I don't know what Blue Guardian's record of like biggest payout is, but like kind of, I mean, obviously I probably wouldn't be following my normal risk and it probably wouldn't be sustainable, but I think it would be interesting to see how much I could run it up and, you know, make sure that that Blue Guardian pays out. That way you guys know. I think that's like the best way to stress test it, right? It's like get the biggest payout possible and see if they pay us. He's like, I'm either gonna break the bank or I'm gonna break you, buddy. Nah, I don't know. I mean, I think they should be all right from their. I've seen their Discord and stuff, and like people getting payouts and stuff. So I don't know. Maybe like to run it up, see what's up, and then maybe with that payout, like we can do some giveaways or something. You know, like some challenge accounts or something. I don't know. Something for the community, something for the fam. Less volume in London these days. It's because we're coming off the back end of a week of news. You know, like it was in the opening week of the month last week. So you gotta give price a minute to get its legs underneath it. You know, decide a side that it's going to. You know. How to join VIP, bro? It's closed right now, brother. It is closed. I was talking about it earlier, how I want to kind of create an incubation of sorts, kind of like a mastermind group, where I'm combining the education I have, the educational material, the content, and like pre-planned, scheduled dates in a calendar, like for live trading and analysis and, you know, journal review and just all the components I think are important in trading, like to improve your trading and be able to trade for yourself. So I'm like putting that structure together, and that'll be the new, instead of like VIP how I have it now, it'll be more of like encompassing everything, at least everything I think that you need to be successful. US CPI tomorrow, yeah. So tomorrow there's gonna be that news. But thankfully this comes at 7:30, and for New York session I'm trading at after 8:30 a.m. So an hour after this I'll be trading and we should be fine. Don't have anything till 3:15 p.m. So ranging here a bit, ranging. GJ, kind of small volume body. Free VIP. Bro, I'm already doing this challenge with you guys and New York session with you guys. What more do you want? I sent the Euro USD trade to the free Telegram today. What are the differences between the unlimited and the elite option on Blue Guardian? The unlimited is talking about time. Like unlimited is you don't have a time limit. That's the one that I chose. 2:38. We got about 1 minute left on this candle. Give me 1 second, guys. Do, 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 do. You look so happy in the Trading Nut video thumbnail. Yeah, I don't know where he got that from. Oh, he got that from the interview we did. I think it was like when we had the interview. He clipped a still image of, I guess, when I was laughing. It's funny. He's like, "What do you mean I don't look happy now, bro?" Like, that's funny. Come on, maybe let's go to TP1. She's breaking these lows. That is a good thing. We're up about 7-8 pips. Looking lovely. Hmm. 130 area for Euro USD. I think that's a bit of a stretch. You're talking about like a really huge push up. My TP5 is at 1.11. Talking about more than double that. About 10 seconds here, and we got the body closing below here, which is good. It's the kind of price action we want to see. I was looking, daily trend line looks possible. Yeah, maybe on a long-term swing. Yeah. Like holding it for like months or something for the rest of the year, next year or something. I don't know. I mean, anything could happen, right? But I think that's too far out of a target for me to look at. Come on, baby. Let's break this little level of resistance or support. What support here, right? Going up, but it's resistance here. I want to see a break. And if we could wick below here, that would be awesome. Oh, you meant 113. Yeah. That could be a possibility. But even then, kind of takes some time. Yeah, because this is way up here. That was like in the middle of July. I definitely think it has a if the trend is to continue to the upside like this, it's inevitable for a new high, right? So yeah, 130 sounded crazy. Yeah, for a second I thought you were talking about USD CAD or something. I was like, no, man, that's quite a bit of ways away. We're up about 8 pips. Up about 8 pips. Yeah, Euro USD is. I sent this trade out earlier today. She already hit TP1. She hit TP1 while we are on the stream. Just a little while ago. But I think it's, I think it still has room to run. Bare minimum, you should be taking partials and adjusting your stops to break even on Euro USD. Okay, so we had this candle break below here. We have a bit of a doji candle here. So we want to pay attention how this next candle closes. See what it does. What are you gonna do, gold? All the way back to break even. It's gonna be a fat wick. Watch. See the size of these wicks compared to the size of the wicks at the bottom? Jesus, look at this. This is looking nice. Where's CJ at? Are you streaming on your channel, bro? Yo, had a busy morning just getting to the charts now. I feel that. Do what you gotta do, brother. Nice little doji candle. Hopefully we get like a bearish engulfing here. Oh, I wanted to hit TP1 already. I'm tired. We got an hour left on the stream.
Why in the gym? But giving up certain foods, that's
fuck. That's funny. Good morning, good morning. Go looking choppy. It is looking a little choppy, huh? What's good, bro? How long you been trading for? I've been trading since 2014, bro. That's when I started down this path. What? Them IML days or what? That's funny. I haven't heard that in a long time. I remember when that was a very popular thing. Those network marketers, bro. They're sure as hell good at their job. Too bad they're not good at trading. God dang. Bro, I'm ready for this new Drake album to drop. Yeah. Just gotta be patient. Jesus. That's funny. There's too much though. You tried that cold plunge? I did. I do cold showers every day. Yeah, it was cold as hell. But was nice, you know. And those are some player-ass glasses, sunglasses. First 2 minutes are the worst. Yeah, just catching your breath, huh? Bro, I've been sober for 24 days. 24 days, baby. Just breezing through. Nice. She's pushing down now. Up about 9-10 pips. Looking lovely, looking lovely. Your screen is blurry. It's not. Check your quality. Not mine. Damn, dude. What's up with that dude's arms and hands? Jesus. Ooh, come on, baby. Give daddy what he likes. Yeah, I think maybe now that it's popped up here, I think it's going to come down, take liquidity from down here. Come on, baby. We're up about 11, 12 pips. Stupid. Dude, that's a badass fucking desktop. What's cool as hell. Damn, where can I buy this? We're about 14 pips, looking lovely. Love to see it. Love to see it. Ooh, got that volatility coming in. Damn. Come on, baby, melt. Patience pays, baby. Patience pays. Come on, baby. 15 pips, 16 pips, 17 pips. Let's go. Ooh, here we go. Here we go. That's a win, baby. Let's go. There goes the horns. We're hitting TPs. Go ahead and take partials, guys. Adjust your stops to break even. I'm taking 80% of my position. That's right, 80% of my position. So 1.64 lots. Oh, fuck. I'm closing out 1.31. Take that money to the bank. And adjust your stops to break even. And that's a win. That's how we do things around here with about 35 minutes to spare. How about that? How about that? Hear the horns one more time for the people in the back. Let's get it. Let's get it. I hope you guys were able to take some profits on that. Hope you guys enjoyed that little win, that little W. All in a day's work. All in a day's work. Damn, $3. Okay. Get it on the next one. All right, so we went ahead and took partials here. This is August 9th. They trade. Close 80% at TP1. 20%. All right. That's a win. What did GJ end up doing? Exactly what I said it was going to do. How do you take partials on MT5? From your phone, you just hold down the trade, and then when the menu comes up, you click close. Before you click that second close where it says close with profit, click on where your lot size is, and then just change the lot size there to how much ever you want to close. And then you can click the close with profit button, and it should close partials. If you're on a desktop, then you need to modify the order and then change the order type to market execution, and then you'll be able to change the lot size on there. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and jump off. I'm just going to let it run, do its thing. It's either going to break even or come and close at TP2, TP3. Regardless, we got 30 minutes left on the stream, but I'm going to go ahead and call it here since we went ahead and hit TP. I don't want to be tempted to jump into another trade. I'm just taking one trade right now until we get back into break even. Right now we are down 1.1 with today's win, and we'll just keep piling it on, you know, keep plugging away. So I will be live for New York for everyone. We'll be on around 8:15 a.m. So in about like 4.5 hours or so. Yeah, the GJ analysis, it's consolidating. I was looking for a push up for liquidity, pulled down to liquidity before it comes up higher. But anyways, thanks for joining, guys. I will see you guys during New York session. New York session will be on my channel, so make sure you are following me on my channel, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bells. If you haven't already, guys, smash the like button for TRADINGNUT, for putting this on for us, you know, facilitating the way for us to do this challenge with you guys. And I'll see you guys for New York. Much love, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.